Hello traders, welcome to another video. This is gonna be a quick one on price action review. We're gonna begin with Nasdaq. Well, my name is Rocky Calvin, and welcome to today's content. And hope you like and subscribe as we proceed. So apparently on Nasdaq we just hit all-time highs. Yeah, we did that on Friday. Today has been just more of a price correction towards downside of it. And first thing from where we are, remember I told you guys when reading price, the first thing you're supposed to ask yourself, where is price coming from? Has it balanced something from where it's coming from, and where is it going to? And also, guys, sorry about my voice. I do have a cold, and I wasn't really supposed to be doing this right now, but I just felt like there's a need for me to do this because I have as much as my content is helping, even just one person, that's enough for me. And I just read that I have to do this. So regardless, so as you can see, we just hit all-time highs on Friday, and right now we're kind of having a correctional move over here where we are currently. We have a breakaway gap, so that's what I'm gonna be marking the first place. This one here, it's a bearish one. We have this fair value gap right here, and we have a breakaway gap above it, this one here. This one tells us a story that price is interested in going lower. And when going lower, what do we target? First target is going to be this low. This is our first target. And quick one, because where price is headed to, I would like to take a shot from this point. I'd like to take a shot from this zone here. Around there. Stop loss to be around there. Then the first take profit is going to be here, which is going to be 123R. Let's take it 123R, 123R. Then the next take profit is going to be right here. It's going to be down here. It's going to be down there on this liquidity, this swing point here. And the last one is going to be here. You see this one? This PD array here that this bullish fair value up here. This is going to be the last one. So I don't really expect us to take this low, because since we're still bullish. What the reason why I'm selling Nasdaq is because this is just a correctional move of price going to tap into liquidities below here. So I don't really expect us to take this liquidity point, but yes, as it stands, once price reaches here, we're gonna be going into 3 minutes or maybe 1 minute to check price action once it's down there. So based on price action down there, that's when we're gonna be you're gonna be taking trades based on that. So the trade I'm taking is from that breakaway gap right there. I'm now on 1 minute time frame, and this was just a quick entry, and as you can see, price is headed towards the entry point. So let us see what's gonna happen. It's almost there. Let us see how it's. Let me just even I don't know whether I have paper trading in here. Let me connect a paper trading account so that I can maybe show you guys what's going on in here. So it's almost at the entry point, so I'm gonna be making some sales there. This is just to show you guys that like how this is done. This is not really real money, this paper trading, as you can see. And stop loss is gonna be above there, and where it is in within the entry level. And guess what, it's 11.11. Okay, no problem. And take profit is gonna first take profit is gonna be down there. That's literally 1 to 3R. So let us see how price reacts to that entry point or that entry level. And that's just it for this. Maybe we should take a look at now higher time frames of generally what is happening. And I want us to take a look at the hourly time frame. When you take a look at the hourly time frame, the market structure is bearish, and we already balanced something here. You see this? So this is not such a great idea, because based on how price has closed here, it might just end up, going for higher liquidity, because we closed back in this fair value gap, this bullish one. But still, I do believe that we need to correct this move below here. Okay, so yeah, there it is. It is still within the entry, and price is just going to balance. As you can see, this other candle here, and in some scenario, that's where you add another position. Okay, and literally, that is how I usually take my trades. Most of the time, once price gets into my zone, I often add more to the position and so on. I would like to even show you guys of what I really did on my because the entry was the same on my MT5, and as you can see, the way price is reacting to it, the way price is reacting. So let us see how this is gonna be at the end of it. So let's target the second take profit on the second position. That is gonna be giving around 1 to 4.5, almost 1 to 5 R. And as you can see, guys, what's happening right now. And the reason why I sold here, guys, I remember, if you can remember, I told you guys, if you want to do technical analysis, if you want to read the price action correctly, first ask yourself, where is this market coming from? We just hit all-time highs. Then what is the current market structure? We just break something here. You see this one? We just broke this structure and went below it. So price created this bearish fair value gaps, and especially we had a breakaway gap, this one here. So that being said, I was expecting price to come into that breakaway gap down here. Another entry would have been using the consequent encroachment of that bearish fair value gap. As you can see, the second position was quite at the top there. And now after that, I would like to see price retrace lower and tap liquidity below here and here. Then once we are here, guys, I would like us to continue rallying higher once we are in this PD array here, because this PD array is the same one on hourly time frame. When you take a look at hourly time frame, you can as well see it. It's right there. Here it is. So once we balance this one, we balance it here. I would like to see us go higher, but sometimes it might be interested into taking this low, which I wouldn't really like to see, but we're gonna be paying attention to it and see what's really happening. So apparently this is the price action on 1 minute time frame, and we just have to be patient, wait and see what's really price is up to. There's no rush, no need to worry about anything. It is just trading. If it doesn't go our way, then that's also all right. We don't force anything. We don't chase anything. We don't force anything. As much as you manage risk properly, then you've done your analysis in the correct manner. Don't worry about anything. I won't like us to go above this area here, okay? So I'm expecting this to hold the price, and as we drop lower. That being said, let us now take a look at gold. Gold, I was expecting some sales. I was expecting some sales. Where was just below here? I wanted price to come below here, tap this liquidity here, tap somewhere around here, then rally higher. But from the look of it, gold has already gone high without coming to that entry spot where I wanted it to come to. So that being said, that's why I've not even paid attention on gold, because I wanted this gap. You see this gap here, this 5 minutes fair value gap here, this one. I wanted this one to be filled. I wanted price to come down here, then we get an entry as we rally higher and targeting this this size. It was around 1 to 4 type of trade, but as you can see, we just went higher. And once price goes towards the take profit area, I won't really like to be interested so much into taking that trade anymore. But that being said, gold is at all-time highs as well. This is a hourly time frame. As you can see, this is all-time highs. Gold is at all-time highs apparently. Okay, and when price is at all-time highs, all you gotta do is just focus on buying and buying and buying. Selling is not really such a good idea. Even the same thing with Nasdaq here. As much as we are selling, but selling is not really such a good idea. When price is at all-time highs, because you should be supposed to be looking for buys, buys, buys. But when you know what you're doing and everything aligns with whatever you're looking for, then this becomes not such a bad idea. So that being said, uh, I'm gonna pause and see what happens and check on it later. Well, let us now resume. I stopped recording once price was here. It was very near to the stop loss, and I walked away from charts because I did not want to keep the live, keep on just recording this live and me watching the charts, because often, most of the time, whenever I watch